Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Mom and Little Ones. Hope you all are doing good and you all are staying at home and staying safe. This video is about the Earth Day. So we created a puzzle, sensory puzzle for the layers of Earth just to make Vihan understand about layers of Earth. First we took a cardboard, the plain cardboard which we get from any delivery box. You can just cut it into a square shape and then we drew a circle over it. Now, the plan was to divide it into two halves. One half would be giving the effect of the land and water, and the other the effect of the layers. So, here you can see we have divided equally into two halves to create an interesting sensory puzzle for the kid. On one side, we created different layers of earth, the four part, and on the other, we are going to draw land and water to distinguish both of them. Here you can see this is how we drew the land and water, and here we have created the layers of earth. Now we are going to use a glue gun and strips of the cardboard box to stick over it in the same way as it is shown here. It takes a bit of time, but it's quite interesting to create a sensory puzzle for kids in this way. And I'm sure your kids are going to enjoy it because it's itself a great balancing, scooping activity for the kids. The strip size has to be thin. It doesn't require to be too much thick. It has to be thin, and then you can stick it accordingly. Here we have completed for layers of earth, and now we'll be doing for the land and the water part. So I'll just do the land part with the cardboard strip. Here you can see it's ready, and now our earth looks beautiful without the colors. But now the most important thing is I'm going to create a puzzle relating to the same topic just to make it interesting and interactive for the kids. You will see how.
Hi Vihan.
Hi.
So I have again an earth activity for you.
Okay.
So you have this board
Yes.
which Mama has prepared.
Yes.
Can you guess what I'm trying to make?
I've noticed that this is an earth,
Okay,
and these are the
Continents.
Continents.
right?
Yes, but I cannot understand what are these.
Okay, you have learned about layers of earth.
Yeah.
So regarding that, I have a sensory activity for you.
Okay.
Again, it's not a simple one. Again, I have simple questions.
Okay.
And the color of the rice is given. You need to pour it into the particular place.
Okay.
Are you ready for it?
Yes.
So Vihan, the first one says layer which is in liquid form of gases, iron and nickel. Which is this layer? Name of the layer?
Outer core.
Okay, and the color of the outer core is?
Yellow.
So which is outer core here in this? Can you just tell me? Yes, very good. Now can you pour yellow color please?
Yes.
So you ready for it, Vihan?
Yes, I'm pouring with a spoon.
Okay.
So it will not going.
Oh.
So be careful.
You have to take less and take out those and put it in that again.
I put it here.
Yeah. So what is this layer called, Vihan?
This layer is called outer core.
Outer core. Very good. You have already done this.
Yes.
Great. You're picking up. Good work. Now tell me the second question, Vihan. What does it say? Second question?
The second question say molten rocks.
Molten rocks is in which layer, Vihan? Name it.
Aha! It is the third layer
Name?
from the inner side.
Okay. What is the name of the
Mantle.
mantle? And what is the color of the mantle which you need to give?
Green.
Come on, get ready for it. Okay, Vihan is all set. And now he's using his fingers, and I'm sure he's going to enjoy more. Right, Vihan?
Yes, you are right.
So once more, Vihan, what is this layer called?
This is called mantle.
Mantle, and it is made up of molten.
Molten rocks.
Very good. Now the second one done. Third one is super interesting. Again, unjumble thing, and you need to solve it, Vihan.
It's easy.
What it is? It's easy. Okay.
Inner core.
Oh my God, you got it. And
Yes.
where is inner core, Vihan? Can you just show it? Oh, here. Here.
Yes.
Okay, good one. Inner core. So there is which gas in what form?
Uh, uh, the inner core is formed the gases.
Which name of the gases?
Iron and nickel.
And it is in the solid form.
Solid form.
And in the liquid form it is there in?
The inner core. Outer core. I think.
Outer core, yes, very good. What is the last one? Outer layer made up of? Name of the outer layer first.
Crust.
And what is it made up of?
Sand. Stones. Air, water, and maybe.
And also land.
Yeah, land.
Okay, so which color it is, Vihan?
Red.
Okay, good. Go ahead.
Now, again with the spoon.
So it's a balancing game for Vihan because area is less and he has to spread it without. I've given him a challenge so that it doesn't come out. Come on, you can do it. Good balancing game, Vihan. Come on.
Yes.
Are you enjoying?
Really.
I feel you are scared. Come on, Vihan. Mama cannot give you an easy task. See, it came out.
Yes. Oh God, so again.
Is it done?
Yes.
Now explain us.
Yes. So this is inner core. It is solid. Then this is outer core, which is liquid. Then it is mantle, molten rocks, and then the crust.
Very good. Now, for this you have, which is land and water, okay?
Yes.
So, land and water use green color and blue color and complete it. Is it ready, Vihan? No? What is pending?
Done.
Done. Wow, it looks beautiful. Can you just remove these red ones?
Oh, this.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Had fun?
Yeah.
Great.
So this was our activity for the Earth Day, just to explain the kids about the layers of Earth in detail. Hope you all enjoyed it. Do try it out with your kids and I'm sure they are going to have fun with this sensory dyed rice puzzle. And yes, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Take care and stay safe.